Good morning. Okay, so here's the situation. I've been debating on getting chicks or not, and a friend made a good point that, you know, eggs are kind of expensive and whatever, so I'm on my way to the feed store to get some chicks. I've been waiting. They were supposed to come yesterday, and I got there early, and I got there early, and man, you think I could ever bring my flippin' selfie stick or have a thingy that goes on my thing so I could hold it and not have to hold it? Anyway, what was the question? So, I'm on my way to the feed store. Okay, here's the deal. The thing is, like, chicks are kind of in high demand. Oh my gosh. Hold on. So, where was I? Okay, the situation. So, you know that chicks are in high demand. I mean, obviously, everybody's homesteading. Price of eggs are high. Everybody wants a couple little backyard chickens. And so, you know, have you ever seen, or have you ever been Black Friday shopping? Me neither, but I've seen the stories where, you know, hair pulling, fist fights. I'm fully expecting to go in to the feed store and have to completely be gangster and throw some elbows. Okay, so that's the situation. So what I decided was, instead of having altercations getting my chicks, I'm going to put on my cow costume, and that way when I walk in the feed store, they're going to be like, who is this crazy lady? And they're just going to part ways and let me get my chicks. So let's go. Feed store bus, baby. Okay, we're here. Guys, guess what? It's raining. It's raining. We're here. Let's go. Tons of cars. Let's go look for the chick line. Look at this line. Look at the line. Here's the situation. I'm the last one in line. I'm the last one in line. 259. So we'll see.
So, if they still don't have a guarantee. They do look okay other than this guy. Or that guy, you know, the guy back there. So if you want to buy them, you sure can. But they still just don't have a guarantee. We would normally, because everybody else in their grouping did not make it at all. I mean, like...
Dude, that's why I was stressed yesterday.
Yeah.
So, this is actually the third time I've been to the feed store waiting for the chicks. They missed their flight yesterday. I was supposed to get them yesterday. So, knowing that, you know, as just being newborn chicks, it's... Anyway, so I get there today, and I was actually last in line. Yes, I had to stand there the whole entire time in my freaking cow costume, being last in line, and everybody staring at me. So I'm last in line, and they had said that the chicks I wanted were in quarantine and they weren't selling them because the whole entire batch died except for a few. And anyway, long story short, you know, I mean, the girls at the feed store know me, obviously, because I'm go there for other stuff. But anyways, they let me take them home, the surviving chicks that came in. And so I'm racing home to see if we can keep some chicks alive. So here's what I did. I stripped the tub of anything, any bedding. Instead of having the feed in a feeder, I put the feed on the floor so they can peck at it. I came home and I put quite a bit of sugar in their water, just for instant energy. Concerned about that one. Oh, concerned about that one. We'll see. I'm going to change their water out. Everybody's had a drink, so I'm going to change the water just to plain water. And anyway, I put some bedding right underneath the heat lamp. So we'll see. Day 5. Day 5. We have 8 babies. We lost one last night, the one that we were worried about. But these remaining chicks are doing really good. Well, good afternoon. Just pulled up to my trail. It's chilly. It's not raining. This is the trail. Gonna tighten my boots and go. Here's the trail that I just came down. I can't do too much recording because I'm headed down that way. Here's a funny thought. There's little white flakes falling from the sky. It's not improving my grip of my shoes. It's making it slicker. If you can see the trail, it continues down that way. Well, it's officially sprinkling pretty good. I am come down from up there and I see the river. First sighting of the river. Okay, let's go. I feel like I hear the waterfall. I'm just gonna stop talking and driving because I know I'm gonna get in trouble. Okay.